All right, if you said that it was the sine of 105 was equal to 0.97, you are absolutely correct. And the correct expression, of course, would be the sine of 105. Now, the question that they had is why, and I am going to bring it back to this whole concept of taking the trigonometric value at a certain angle. Um, let's go back and look at this. When we take a trigonometric value, we're always referencing it in terms of an angle, which means that a trig value means absolutely nothing if the angle is missing. Notice that is why Miss Bennett always says that, hey, it is a sin to not include your angle with the trig function, because the trig values mean nothing if you don't have an angle included with it. Now, what does that mean for the question of finding the sine of 105 versus finding the sine of 45 plus the sine of 60? Well, there is a certain order of operations that happen here. See, when we find the sine of 45 plus the sine of 60, what we're telling the calculator to do is to take the sine value at the angle 45 and take the sine value at the angle 60 and add those two values together. Okay? Whereas if I want to find the sine of 105 exactly, I actually need to either take the sine of 105, or I need to say, hey, to my calculator, I need you to take the sine of 45 plus 60. And how this is written and how the calculator interprets this is that I am going to first add 45 and 60 together, and then I'm going to take the sine. So if you need to put that in writing, well, what happens is the first expression is correct. And the second is not, because the second expression ignores the order of operation. All right, guys, so let's talk about how we find the sum of angles and use that to find exact trig values.